part 3 of the 3-part series in making a crochet basket. In part 1, we did the front post single crochet to make our base. In part 2, we used the camel stitch to make the body of our basket. And in part 3, we're going to finish off our basket with a detailed crab stitch or reverse single crochet. So the crab stitch or reverse single crochet is just like it sounds. You're working your single crochets in reverse. So instead of working single crochets this way, we're going to be working them this way. So we chain 1 and we insert our hook into the stitch behind our join, pull up a loop and finish our single crochet. And you're going to work in the reverse all the way around the top of the basket. As a tip, I would keep your tension with your working yarn really loose and kind of add a little bit of extra on your yarn over so that it makes that final yarn over to finish the single crochet a little easier to do. It's easy to work this stitch a little bit too tight, but it doesn't need to be that tight. And you'll see that it works this really nice detail around the top of our basket. I also want to give a little tip of counting as you go. That final crab stitch can be a little tricky to know where to stop if you have not counted your stitches. But you're going to look for that join at the end from the previous round and work your last crab stitch just before that join. So working in the reverse all the way around, we're getting towards the end. I'm going to work 2 more, 1 and 2, and then you're going to insert into the first one and do a slip stitch to end the round. You'll break your yarn and weave in your ends, and there you have it. There is a simple crochet basket using 3 different stitch techniques. I hope you enjoyed following along.